Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Face ID not working on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just clean the Face ID area on your iPhone with a soft cloth. After you clean the Face ID area, then go to Settings and tap on Face ID and passcode. Then enter your lock screen PIN. Now just make sure that Face ID is enabled on your iPhone, then enable all these toggles. Now just enter your Apple ID password. Now after you have done that, then go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then go back to Settings and tap on Face ID and passcode. Then enter your lock screen PIN. And from here, just tap on Reset Face ID. Now, after you reset your Face ID, then tap on Set up Face ID. Now, just follow the instructions on the screen to set up your Face ID. Tap on Get Started. Now just place your face in the camera frame and scan your Face ID. Tap on Setup Later, then tap on Done. Now from here, just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just open Settings, then tap on General. From here, just go to Software Update and check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix Face ID not working on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.